Alright, I'm coming at you with a very special, very quick video because I see a lot of people saying the crash is over, the crash is over. It isn't. I have evidence that this crash is just beginning and that we have more downside to 34 to 30k. Now, if you saw my last video, we discussed this resistance that stemmed from over here, went through these lows, and now resistance. We hit this resistance up here on the ETF approval. We had a spike and then an immediate sell-off the next day. We had actually a spike the next day that went higher than the day before. But anyway, we got the spike I was looking for. I got short up there and it's been very, very profitable so far. But there is more downside. Although I've taken a little bit of profits, I'm still heavily in this short because I do expect much more downside to 34 to 30k. As you can see, our RSI, resistance here, here and here resistance, here resistance. We broke resistance. What do? You make it support. Well, we broke through it. This week we might end up around here retesting. I'm expecting a dump on the RSI. Where could this go down to? About 50. As you can see, we have support here. 50 is looking good for the RSI. Now, stochastic RSI, this one's leading. As you can see, we're in full turmoil here. Momentum is heading down. And so is price. Price is heading down. Let's zoom in here. I don't often do this. Okay, Bitcoin's daily chart, you can officially see the spike here into resistance and then the immediate sell-off. You can also see that volume was pretty stagnant around here, and then as we reversed trend, we spiked. That is a good sign that it is a true reversal of the trend, that volume increased on here and we sold off. That's a good sign for the bearish momentum, not for the bullish momentum. It's a bad sign for the bullish momentum. Anyway, I have a couple trend lines here, resistance, support all along here, and then we were stumbling around it here. We've officially broken below, looking to confirm below today. What can I expect today? Upside of around 42,000 and maybe 500, 42,500, maybe a little bit above, I don't know. And then you can clearly see this we have held so far. We have a bunch of clear retests for now. So once we get below this line, that's where the danger's kind of kicking in here for sure. This is the line you want to watch, because if we break this one, it's going to go fast and it's going to go down. Okay, weekly chart of Ethereum. This is the last coin I'm going to be covering in this video because this is just a special video I'm making. This is actually looking stronger than Bitcoin right now. I'm kind of surprised. I didn't think Ethereum would hold up this well under the situation Bitcoin's going through right now. But now I have to re-evaluate what I said before. I think I said before that your max downside on Ethereum was 1,700, which is still the case. However, it's looking more probable that we don't go that low on Ethereum. If Bitcoin crashes, 25% from here, from 42, that's kind of what I'm thinking is probable in the charts. This thing, it could crash to 1,700, but there's good support between 2,000 and 2,100 on this chart. It's actually looking like it could stall there. So Ethereum, I am not shorting as much right now, but I still did get short on this spike because I thought there was going to be more gains to be had. But now I'm realizing that Ethereum might not drop as much, and I think people need to be prepared for Ethereum not to go down to 1,700. It could happen, but it doesn't look as probable.
This I'm a dream, dog, you have to believe, dog. Matty pa my belly, I'm out in the street, dog. My them offend them, so make rich, dog. Easy yourself, I know watching the G-Tag.